Making your own Omer timeline with JITap. Use the app or go to jitap.net. Tap on the plus to create. Scroll down the creation packs to the Pesach area. Go into one of the creation packs and pick an image to represent Pesach. Scroll back up to the Shavuot section and pick an image to represent Shavuot. Go to the teacher pack that says choose a layout. Scroll all the way down to get to the timelines. Choose the timeline that you like best. You might need 2 or 3 in order to get 12 nodules. There are 49 days and 7 weeks of the Omer. The Omer starts the day after the first day of Passover and ends the day before Shavuot. Yom HaZikaron is on the 19th day of the Omer. Yom HaAtzmaut is on the 20th day of the Omer. Pesach Sheni is on the 29th day of the Omer. Lag BaOmer or Lamed Gimel BaOmer is on the 33rd day of the Omer. Yom Yerushalayim is on the 43rd day of the Omer. The 7 weeks and 5 special days make up 12 nodules or spaces on your timeline. You might need to superimpose your timelines or attach them if they don't have enough nodules. Position the timeline in any way that will fit best on your screen. Mark the weeks that have been counted and the special days we celebrate over the Omer. To make your JITap game interactive, choose Soundboard. Outline each area you want to turn into a hotspot or button to have your voice heard when tapped. Activate your outline by pressing the blue plus. Record your voice, and then you can also record an introduction to this slide by tapping on the settings on the green bar that says Create a Soundboard. When you're done making all of your soundboard hotspots, upload your game to the JITap platform. Add a description, create a title, choose a category, choose the appropriate age, and save your game. Have fun creating!